if you guys want to give your, like, for example, your iPhone to someone else or a kid, right, and you want them to use an app, right, but not all the apps or the other apps, for example, okay, here is what to do. So for this, guys, all right, you need to, enable guided access, which is like we can be found like in settings, okay, and then tap on accessibility, scroll down to the bottom, and then here we have guided access, right? If it is off, right, just turn it on, and for the rest, I'll let you know, okay? All right, now let's go back to YouTube, right? And we'll presume that you're going to give your iPhone to someone else or maybe a kid and you don't want them to use the other apps, but the YouTube, okay? So here is what to do. Now, before you give it to that person, okay, triple tap, right, the side button, which is, right, the power button 3 times, okay? Tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And here we go. Now, guided access is about to be like canceled or started, okay? Now, tap on start, right, and set a passcode. But remember, you have to remember the passcode, all right? If you don't want to get yourself in trouble, okay? Now, again, verify your new passcode, right? And that's it. Now, I'm trying, all right, guys, I'm trying to get out of YouTube, but I'm not able. I'm swiping up, right, the screen or the page, okay, but I'm not able. Try to do that, okay? Try to do that after you watch the video, but you will not be able. Now, let's try to, like, sleep, right, or turn off the device, okay? I'm tapping it. As you can see, guys, I'm not able to do it, right? Why? Because guided access is enabled. Now, how to disable it, right? Now, triple tap again, right, the side button, which is the power button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now again, sorry, 1, 2, 3. And I have to enter the passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And I'm going to end or resume, okay? Now let's end it, right? And let's see if I'm able. Now this, as you can see, guys, this is back, okay? So this is back when I want to, like, get out of, like, an app, all right? So that's it. Now, but let's see that if there is, like, something else to be mentioned about the guided access. Yes, of course, right? Now, the when we say that, like, guided access can be found under accessibility, all right? And you open it, right? Now, passcode settings, okay, you can use Face ID as well, right? You can turn it on from here, all right? And of course, there is something else, which is display auto lock, all right? This is on default, all right? If you want to change, all right, your iPhone will automatically lock based, on the auto lock in display and brightness. Okay, and it's just like that, right? Guided access keeps the iPhone, in a single app, right? And allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, as I told you guys, triple click the side button in the app you want to use, and that's it. Please subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you next time. Bye-bye.